good evening guys. A bit late today, but I haven't forgot. But with all the Father's Day, bit late. So I must admit, today in the morning as I was stirring it, it smelled quite ew. But it's supposed to be like this. Even, yeah, it's supposed to be like this. So it means bacteria is working. So for the first 4 days it's gonna be, can really be smelly. But thank God it's just in the glass, not outside or the surroundings. So let's start with the usual procedure. 50 grams of rye flour and water, 50 mils. Okay, just smell like usual. Flour in. Even when you open up the glass, it's not smelly, it's like this, but if you start to stir and have your head directly above the glass, it's really a bit uncomfortable. But it's absolutely normal, and thank God it's just in the glass, so not outside. Again, a little bit of warm water. That's a bit more. Just get it down to the bottom. So we're feeding our sourdough again. And now what I really like about this rye flour is the water is gonna be soaked in so quickly and so nice and smooth. Not like with the usual wheat flour, which takes like forever. As you can see, already in. All I'm gonna do now, like again, just stirring it through. Has like a fruity smell, it's not so bad like it was in the morning. Okay. So I just want to clean the edges a little bit today. Also those dry, oops, those things which are like dry and hard. I'm pulling them out of the glass now. Just want to prevent those things from rot. I'm not sure, so definitely use. Okay. Okay, I think I've got everything. I'm just cleaning again. Keeping it clean, more or less. Sticks like nobody's business. Just gonna be in your sink. Ugh. Okay. So that's it. Let's close this up for today again till the morning. Getting there. Looks good. Smells not so good for now, but yeah, supposed to be like this. But like I said, as in the morning was really quite sour and like smells off like a sourdough is supposed to smell in those days while you prepare. And but tonight's already better than it was. And yeah, I'm gonna see 2 more days to go. Stay with me. Have a nice evening, guys. See you tomorrow.